everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today is the Brewed Beauty Collab. And today we are celebrating Erica, one of our newer members, birthday. And we're going to do a birthday look with her favorite colors, which are green, black, and white. So this is the Brewed Beauty Collab, and the host is Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. And there's also Char from Char's Fashion Nation. There's Johna from My Nails and More by Johna. And there's Erica, whose birthday it is. Happy birthday, Erica. From Erica Nail 9985, I believe. Erica Sue's Nail 99.85. They'll be listed down below. You can just click their links and go on over to their channels and look at their looks. So we're going to use this palette that we shall not name because YouTube doesn't like that. The Alien palette and Blood Money. So green, white, and black. Alrighty then. So I'm going to go in with vanilla latex all over the lid to start. And that's in the palette we shall not speak about. It's a nice creamy white. I'm going to use that as my base. And I'm going all the way up. If you hear stuff in the background, it's just Heidi blabbing on the camera. She's going through a big change today. The hospital bed is in storage. And she got her double bed back. So she's very excited and she's lying down in it. She was actually, she's in there laughing. She was actually a little afraid to get into it. But it's been a while. I mean, it's been a couple weeks since she's been in her bed. I have a little fallout here. This was not the video I thought we were doing this week, so I'm kind of befuddled a little bit. Alright, let's blend this. I don't want it too crazy, but I want a nice base. Alright. So I'm going to go in. Which one do I want to use? So I love this Blood Money palette, but it's just so hard to choose which one. Because keeping the white is what's a little bit hard. But I'm going to try my best, Erica. Alright, I think I'm going to go in with Mint Condition. Is that what I want? No. I'm going to go in with Chameleon Fetish. What's that? A light green? And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. That's a really light green. But it's pretty. And if you hear noise in the background, it's stepson has a hard time being quiet. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Make It Rain, which is also like, it's kind of like a more olivey green, maybe? It's probably not the right brush to use. Let me get a different brush. You guys get attached brushes like I do. I have this one certain brush that I love to do the outer corner of my eye. And then when I can't find it, which I don't know how it comes up missing all the time, but it does. I don't want to waste you guys' time while I'm looking for a brush. I'm going to pause this. Hold on. Okay, I forgot to hit record again. So, I went in with Make It Rain in the outer V and up into my crease. You hear my cat making noises because right now she decided that it's grooming time. Because, yeah, that's what I would do. And my daughter is laughing hysterically, and my stepson is running around like a lunatic, making noise. So, this is my life. And my phone's going off, as usual. Weird week. Alright, let's see. You guys ever just have an off makeup week where you just can't seem to get the makeup to do what you want it to do? That is the week I've been having. Plus, you know, skincare. While Heidi was in the hospital and she was really needing me to care for her for everything when she first came home. I've kind of let my skincare go on the wayside. Of course, you know, her care is more important, in my opinion. Alright, so there's that. I'm going to go in the middle with Poison Ivy, which is that green there, which is not going to lie down on that white, of course, the way I want it to. I was going to use the one in Alien, which I might go right over top. That's a little more brighter. Alright, dipping into Alien. There we go, that's what I want. Okay. Looks nice. I like it. Okay. We're going to go into black hole, and I'm not going to go too crazy with this black because I don't want to ruin. I just want to deepen right in the. I'm just kind of tapping that in there. Okay. I will blend it here in a minute. Actually, I think I'm just going to. Alright, so there's my black, and I'm probably going to go with abduction. Where'd that? Oh, I pulled a liner one out. There it is. And the alien palette is called abduction. Kind of a really bright green. Okay. And I'm going to go with flying saucer. About a quarter of a way through. Meet up with that green. I like that. I don't use alien palette enough, and it's not being made anymore. Trying to use it. Alright, we're already up to 13 minutes. So let me fix that black a little bit on this side. If I can get the palette back open. Yeah, I want a little darker. I'm just gonna tap it out. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. I kind of like that. Okay. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Going back into Make It Rain. I'm going to. There we go. And there. So, I was going to do a black eyeliner, but I think I'm going to do green. Yes. I'm going to go in with Divine Intervention, which is the first color in the Blood Money palette. And it is a white, but it has like some green reflex in it. Okay. Go on my brow bone. I know they say at my age you're not supposed to wear shimmer above the cream. Whatever. I do what I want, right? Also, white inner corner. Alright. I am going to pause this. Put some mascara on. And I will be right back. Okay, guys. I am back. So, what I did was I put green eyeliner on. I think I did that earlier in front of you all. I used my Lash It Out Loud mascara. I used the Velvet Trap Pure Hell lipstick by Jeffree Star, and I took Alien and rubbed that on the black lipstick to make it more green, like green and black. Even though my lips really, it's really showing the creases. Oh well, it is what it is, right? So, happy birthday, Erica Sue, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And this is the Brewed Beauty Collab. Please watch the other girls. It is hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. And bring this down a little bit. So this is my green, white, and black look. The lips didn't come out exactly how I wanted, but whatever. This is my look. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. So until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.